Hey, today instead of doing an app review, I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you an application that is an alternate for the home button. So this is useful for if your home button or lock button is broken. So yeah, go to Cydia and wait for it to fully open. Oh yeah, and you have to be jailbroken to do this. If you don't know how to jailbreak, I'll put a link to someone who makes videos in the description. Yeah, and once this is finished, go to search. Go to search. Look up iHome. I-H-O-M-E. It's from iSpazio. I don't know if you have to add that app separately. But then install it. I already have it installed, but yeah, so then it'll tell you to respring, and once you've resprung, you'll be able to use the very bottom of the screen. Like if you have SB settings, you kind of know what I mean. So like you just swipe your finger along the very, the very bottom. See? Like it'll highlight yellow. Oh, come on. Okay. See, and if you go the other way, it opens up this. So it has respring, a couple of options, so you can like lock it. And so yeah, it works even if you're in an application where there is, where it takes up the whole screen. Like SB settings won't work in something like this, but iHome will. See, and it gives you an option in case you accidentally hit it. So yeah, and if you do a long slide like that, it locks it. And if you have music playing, and you do long swipe this way, it opens the controls. So yeah, this is a alternate. Instead of getting your home button fixed or buying another iPod, you can do this. Or, I guess, iPhone. But, yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe.